Hi guys, Leia here from Unbox, and this is not your usual video. As you can see, I have a very special guest with me, Miss Universe 2015 and Huawei's brand ambassador, Miss Pia Alonzo Wurtzbach.
Hi everyone.
We're super excited to have you here.
Thank you.
So Pia, you've been with the Huawei family since last year from P10, and from P10 to P20, what's your favorite feature?
Well, I just actually got my phone a few minutes ago, so I'm very excited. I've been waiting for this phone for a while. I love that it has three cameras at the back, which means I get better photos, even better than from my P10, and it's a bigger screen. I mean, it's just generally a better version of the P10, like a big upgrade.
Yes, it is. Plus yung likod niya, ang ganda
Oh yes,
ng gradient,
and the design,
no?
I'm sorry. And the design, it's super sleek, super beautiful. This is the twilight, the twilight color, so you can see it. And I love it especially because it works as a mirror too.
I never thought of it that way.
Yeah, check it out. Diba?
I can put on my lipstick here. Oh, diba? Pro tip! I love it. So you haven't really gotten around to testing the cameras, I suppose. Or do you have some selfies in there?
Well, I do have some selfies from the earlier interview actually, but not yet. Although I heard a lot of things about this phone, good things, especially about the AI feature. So I'm excited to see that once I start really using the phone.
I demand a selfie with you.
Oh my
You have no
gosh,
idea
yes.
how much I'm stopping myself from fangirling right now.
Oh yeah, we'll do it. Let's do it.
Can we?
let's
Might
do it.
as well, since we're here.
This is the.
This is a P20, and that's the P20 Pro. Yeah.
There's just a slight difference.
Yeah, it's like the little sister, if you call it that. So yeah, shall we? Let's see how this works. Oh no, I'm short arms. I have to time
na.
everything.
Okay. There. Got a few there.
So guys, you need to see this. My mother needs to see this.
Automatic nag-bokeh effect siya because it knows that we just took a selfie.
Yes, it's
so it blurred out.
portrait mode agad siya.
Yeah.
I was told that you are a gamer. So
Yes.
have you tried gaming with a phone?
Yeah, I use it. I play Mobile Legends on my P10 and my Mate 10. My P10 and my Mate 10. Right now, I use it on my Mate 10 because it's a bigger screen.
That's true, and I guess.
And I can't wait to start using it here too. It's gonna look so nice too. Like, can you imagine you're playing like that, and then they see the design sa likod, and they'll be like, ang ganda ng phone niya, pero hindi nila alam may pinapatay ako. Diba?
Actually, that's the thing with the phone. Statement piece na siya.
Yes,
Parang
it's-
fashion accessory.
Yes, exactly. And it looks nice. I mean, if you're like talking to someone, ayan na siya. Kita na siya dyan. Kanina nga I was saying, it would be such a shame if you try to cover it with a case. If you bought a case for it, because you're also paying for the design. So why not show it off, diba?
You just have to be very careful.
Yeah, you just have to be careful. But I might not use a case for this one. Beautiful things need to be seen.
Quotable quote, but I agree. Fully agree.
Beautiful things need to be seen. They need to be out there. So, I just love staring at it. Sorry.
Have you tried taking videos?
No, not yet. But actually, let's
do it now.
do it now.
Because when we tried it out, or that?
Video there.
Parang ano to, BTS shot.
Hey
na.
guys. Oop,
Wait for the camera.
that's me.
Yeah.
Wait, I can see my reflection through your. See, it's me.
That is
Hello.
That is awesome. By the way, guys, that's our editor at large at John Nieves.
Hi. So, yeah, it's
And
super clear. And I love that it stabilizes the video even though I have shaky hands, because I do have shaky hands. But then
And that's
Hindi siya-
zoom.
Yeah, the zoom on this phone is actually really good because it's not just like a digital zoom, it's an optical zoom. See, I did my
Love
homework.
it.
Oo.
Guys, pwede ng tech YouTuber si Pia.
Kanina nag-unboxing ako eh. Dapat maging YouTuber na lang siguro ko. Maybe that will be my next.
I'm sure immediate millions and millions of followers. Isa na ako doon. So for your phone, how do you usually use it? For travel, for work, or
I use my phone for everything. I use the camera a lot when I share photos on social media, and when I take pictures on anything, and for work also, for answering emails, reading news articles, connecting with my friends and my family, even playing games on it. Like, alam mo, totoo yung sinasabi nila that if you like lose your phone, you feel like a part of you is gone. I can't imagine life without my phone. I use my phone every day.
I'm actually very excited because I follow you in IG, so
Oh.
I'm sure that I'll be seeing more photos taken with the P20
Yes,
Pro.
definitely.
I'm sure the viewers, of our channel are just as thrilled to have you here. So do you have a message for them?
Yes! Buy the P20 now! It's an awesome phone! And hi guys, by the way. This is Pia. No, seriously, it's an awesome phone. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng maraming request na yung mga friends na humihingi ng phone, ng ganyan. Ngayon, ang dami kong request. With the P10, I had a few requests, but with this phone, it's insane. I'm getting messages from people I haven't heard from in a while, and then they just want me to give them a new phone. It's like, parang, wait lang, I just got my phone right now. I'm just gonna enjoy it first. But, it's pretty in demand, and that's a good sign.
Yes.
And I'm just excited to show it to everyone. And I'm also excited for people to ask me, ano yung phone mo?
I'm
Diba?
sure they
Kasi
will.
Kasi pag nakikita nila, ganyan. I'm glad I picked this design.
You have no idea how much I want to just grab that right now.
Why?
That's my dream color.
Really?
Yes,
Check it out.
twilight.
Magkaiba ba tayo?
Yes, this is.
This is
Yeah,
black.
it's black.
Not
But
as nice.
this is really sexy. O, diba?
This is more like manly, mas panlalaki to, or professional, ganon.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
it's also beautiful, pero mas subdued. Is that the right
Mas,
word?
it's a matter of preference eh, yung personal style mo. So, this is more, to me, parang mas panlalaki to. This is the kind of design I would give to maybe my boyfriend or my dad, or parang friend from work na hindi mo sure kung ano yung bet nilang color. Bet talaga. So,
Oo.
pero
Totoo.
para sa mga Becky friends ko dyan, dito na tayo, di ba?
Becky at girl naman.
Oo.
Pwede bang BFFs na tayo?
Oo,
Joke!
bakit hindi? Wait, we need to redo our selfie because the lighting here was like...
Okay, another pro tip for selfie. Good lighting is
Yes,
a must.
selfie. Good lighting is a must.
I actually have a question, not just about the phone, but you take a lot of selfies. Can you give us tips to take?
Oh,
Obviously, I don't take a lot of
selfie
selfies.
tip,
I'm a guy.
Selfie tip number 1, know your angles. So know kung saan ba ako maganda. Left, right, chin down, medyo chin up, chin forward, ano ba. And then, also good lighting. Very, very important. Kahit maganda yung angle mo, pero pangit yung lighting, it won't work. So you have to find good natural light. Kung pwede, don't stand right like what I'm doing now. Don't do this. Don't do this. Parang try to go back a bit. Yan. You see the difference already? Or forward. And also, tips for selfie, angle, lighting, and don't go crazy with the editing and the filters.
Beauty mode.
Oo.
no?
Hindi, okay lang naman. Minsan naman naka-on din yung beauty mode ko, pero hindi yung whoop,
Yeah.
or yung apps na okay lang naman that some people wanna do that, but we can tell kasi if you overdid it. Some
Yeah.
people get excited and a selfie kasi is a very close shot of your face. Kung wala kang pores, hindi ka panipaniwala. Ganyan. So I think that would be my advice, to keep it natural.
Yes. So just the right amount of beauty
Of
mode.
course,
Of
yeah.
course, yes, agree.
And shine. Dapat may konting shine.
Okay, one more. You're in Instagram a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So if someone is wanting to become like an Instagram celebrity, for example, what tips can you give them for actually?
An Instagram celebrity? Well, I know that your feed has to be fire. So have nice feed, have nice quality photos, have parang sensible captions. Alam mo yun, yung parang may sense, and keep it interesting. Don't overload people with like uploading 10 photos in one day of the same thing. Alam mo yun, parang keep them excited, and also take nice quality photos with your Huawei P20.
So buy a P20.
Buy a P20 and you'll be an Instagram star.
Sold!
Yun yung advice ko. If you want to be an Instagram star, buy the phone. Everything else will follow.
Yeah, I love it. So,
Okay.
yes. I
Alright.
think that's about it. So,
Yeah.
thank you so much,
Thank
Pia. We
you.
look forward to seeing more of you and more of your photos using the Huawei P20 in your Instagram or wherever.
Thank you very much.
So, guys, that's about it. I know it's a short clip, but we hope that you enjoyed it. This is Leia from Unbox. See you next time. Bye.